We're going to take a quick ride through of the resorts at Canopy Oaks. This is located out off of State Road 316 off of Highway 60, just a little bit west of Lakeland. Here I swing in to check in, make sure it's okay to do a ride through. I didn't have a problem, said go right ahead, help myself. So we did. On the left there, I'll come back as I exit. There's a little amenities shop there. So, a number of different shops there to do. As you can see, they got some what they call their camping cabins. I call them the tiny homes. Yeah, it looks like they got about maybe about 15 of these things out there. Again, just so you know, I'm not sponsored. I don't recommend. I've not even visited this place. It's the first time I've done a drive-through of the area. Take a look at it. I heard it was pretty new, a couple years old, maybe, or a year and a half. As you can tell by the palm trees, they're just looks like they're starting to come to life, but they haven't filled out any. The grass is still filling in, so. One thing I do notice, it's not a lot of shade out here. Not a lot of shade. When I stopped in the office, I did check to see if they allowed tent camping, and they do not allow tent camping. They said they do allow pop-ups, but no tent camping. Looks like they got a number of wash houses around. There was one right there on the left. And those I saw sites as high as 450, so I'm thinking they got probably 600 sites out here or so. This is a Sunday afternoon. I don't know how busy it gets out there. Like I say, my very first drive-through, so I have no idea what it's It could be busy if it gets filled in, that's for sure. Like I say, the area is east of, it's out off of State Road 60, Yeehaw Junction, about 20 miles east of Yeehaw Junction. Between Yeehaw Junction and Lakeland, or I'm sorry, Lake Wales, not Lakeland, Lake Wales. Off a little side street and headed out towards Frostproof. Nice little area. Looks like each of the sites have a minimum of a picnic table and a fire ring that I noticed. And they do say they have multiple levels of camping, from standard sites to premium sites. Don't know exactly what the difference is. I'm pretty sure by the looks of it, everything has sewer, water, and electric. I'll put a little background music on this so that you don't have to listen to me the whole time. This was just taken off of my motorcycle safety camera, not my. I usually run a GoPro, but I failed to bring it with me on this ride. I was out riding with MSTA Group, Motorcycle Sport Touring Association. We were going over towards Frostproof to have a brunch ride. This was on my way home. I figured I'd swing in and I saw it on the way over. Thought I'd swing in and take a look at it. See what it was all about for my campground ride-throughs, Florida. Again, thanks for tuning in. You're listening to Doug, MyWorldsFlat.org. If you have a chance to visit, got the links to all my videos and some of my other antiques out there. So enjoy it. Again, you can tell this is a pretty large campground. It looks like they got video all over the place here. I just happened to notice another one. I've seen 3 or 4 of the little towers around. So looks like security would be pretty good out there. I missed it when I come in, but I thought I did a quick little tour of the swimming pool area, but I didn't see it. I may have cut it out of the video. But anyway, directly across from that, they've got a little tiki, what they call a tiki island for the adult beverages. Like a fairly, I've seen the brochure on it. Looks like a pretty large size tiki hut out there. Look to be rather well equipped also. You can see they've got fire hydrants around, so. As I get out here towards the end, I'll loop through the amenities area and show you what they've got out there. I know they got a little country store and a couple other things right there, along with the whatever they have in the pool area. That looks like a fairly large building. And I don't know what they've got inside. Did not go inside. Just did my ride through like I normally do. Looks like the premium sites, I could take adventure here, that they're a little wider. Looks like the concrete slabs are like 2 vehicles wide, where the other ones were just a single vehicle wide. Yeah. That may be one of the improvements towards the premium side. But I still see picnic tables and fire rings everywhere. So, the building straight ahead is the swimming pool. There's 3 or 4 lakes that I saw out there, little ponds. I am familiar with the area, and I would imagine it could get a little wet out there during the rainy season. Just a FYI to you. Sure, it wouldn't cause a problem because everything's on concrete slabs and asphalt, so drainage everywhere. So they probably addressed that. Looks like all their power's underground, as you can see the transformers there. Looks like they allow golf carts. And look up on the left, you can kind of see the tiki hut out there. And the swimming area, swimming pool. And like I say, I don't know, I did not go through that parking lot to see what all was in that building, so have to explore it on your own, I suppose. Be sure and pick up one of their brochures. Go to their website at resorts at canopyoaks.com, and you can check them out on Facebook. It's not an ad or a recommendation for a place. Like I say, I've never been here. Don't know what it's all about other than this drive-thru. There's your little country store on the left. Little deli and pizza shop. I couldn't read what that one was. I know there's a hair salon and nails. Oh, guys, you can get your nails done while you're out. Coffee and ice cream. There you go. Now you're talking. Well, this will pretty well wrap it up for me. I head out at this point. I go back past the office and out towards State Road 316. Headed back to Florida 60 at Yeehaw Junction. Between Yeehaw Junction and Lake Wales. Well, thanks for coming and riding along with us. Get a chance, come and check us out at myworldsflat.org. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.